Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. I am going to turn down this. Actually, I'm not. I'm going to turn down the air. I have two unboxings. You're going to see the same shirt with my necklace and hair and makeup. Oh, I did my hair and makeup today. First, we're going to do our Allure. Okay, I have my icon box. I know I'm late. I was on vacation and these packages came while I was gone. And I was not feeling up to doing makeup until today. So that's what you got. Okay. So this is the no. These came while I was gone. These are February boxes because it's March today, but these boxes haven't come out yet. So these are the February boxes for this is the February box for Allure. All right. Allure Beauty Box. And I believe everyone gets pretty much the same thing, I think. But the products are good. The quality is great. I haven't had any duplicates. I haven't been on it very long either, but so far so good. Okay. So we'll keep it another month or so. I know I said I was going to be cutting back. So we'll see. We'll see. First thing I'm grabbing is this giant tub of, oh, cool, a new deodorant. Mega Babe Daily Deodorant, clear and clean. And I'm guessing it's going to be aluminum free. Rosy Pits is the scent. Cute packaging though. Is that the cutest? All right, this is Clean Deo Stick Fights Bio Willow Bark Extract. Yeah. Oh. And what? Oat kernel. Okay, willow bark extract, squalene, and oat kernel fight odor, visibly restores skin and smooth. Okay. I'm guessing this has to be aluminum free. Why else would they have it? Is this a twist top? What is happening here? Where's the deal? Is this? I'm so confused by this. Okay, that's plastic. How does this come off? Why is this so challenging? Oh, okay. I'm sure that it. Okay, here we go. It's suctioned on there really good. Is it clear? Oh, wow. Okay. 1 second. This is too hard. Well, I can't get it off. I don't know why it's so hard, but it's a clear stick situation. I don't know why it's so hard. We'll wrestle with that another day. I do like a natural deodorant, so it twists. Okay. Next. Why was that so hard? Olaplex number 9 Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum. Ooh, nice. Olaplex. It's a nice size sample. This looks like probably one use, maybe two. Nourishing Hair Serum, Protect Serum. Smooths and protects. This writing is so small. How are you? It's a good thing they have these because there's no way I'm going to be able to read this. Can you read that? Exactly. The fact that it doesn't have any extra packaging is great, but the fact that you also cannot read this without a magnifying glass, and even then, it's just bad idea. This is three ships dewdrops mushroom and kakadu plum hyaluronic acid serum. This is for your face. Cute. And directions: apply 1 to 2 drops to clean skin in the morning and night. Simple, easy directions. Right there at the top. These are the ingredients or whatever, and some other stuff. Cruelty free, something, 12 months after you open it, made in Canada. Can't wait to use that. I still have 3 things in the box. I always forget how many things come in these boxes. This is great. Okay. Skin Ink Pure Deep Sea Hydrating Mask. Information on the box. I know, I can just let it go. I can't. Cute little color. Sealed for safety. Cute. Pure deep. Okay. Looks like a squeezy top, which is fine with me. Travel friendly, good sizing. 1 fluid ounce. And this is a triple threat mask. Contains nutrient rich deep sea water, soybean extract, and hyaluronic acid for a simple to use yet luxurious daily treatment. Okay, spread a thin layer on a clean face, including under eye area, and leave on for 30 minutes or overnight. Rinse off with warm water. Okay. Good to read the directions because I probably would have just kept it on. But it does say mask, so, reading is fundamental. Okay, I don't have 3 things. Oh, wait, I do. Okay. All right. So this is another Olaplex. I don't remember which one I used already. I showed you. Oh, okay, I do. This was the hair serum. This one is number 9. This is number 6. This is a leave-in styling treatment. Adds moisture, strengthens, and reduces frizz up to 72 hours. This is interesting. Okay. Because I thought I pulled the same thing out, but obviously it's not. Last but not least, this is from Merit. This is a Shade Slick Gelée tinted lip oil. I love a tinted lip oil. Have I told you that? I'm sure I have. This packaging is cute. And I say that the package it comes in because this is like a gold leaf. I gave it to you upside down. Raised embossment. Cute. Lip oils are lovely. Ooh, so pretty. Aw, so pretty. This will look great in my purse. If I didn't already have on this Fenty gloss stick, I would put this on. Ooh, doe foot applicator. Doesn't really have a smell, which I prefer because it's going to be on your mouth. This is cute. This is cute. I know I have so many things and I need to do better about not using the new stuff. I'm not good at that. So I busted out the Fenty today. Okay, let's look at this. Oh, wait, what was it that I couldn't read? Oh, the Olaplex. Okay. Oh, there's 3 different types of deodorant that you could have gotten. Very good. This retails, this size, 2.6 ounces, retails for $14. The 3 ships. Where's that? Where'd I put that? Like literally the box is right here. Oh, it's slid on the side. This retails for $37 for 30 mils. This is 7 mils. So that's a third. So what is that? A third of 37. So $14.50. $13.50. These Olaplex, I know Olaplex is kind of on the higher end. I don't want to say expensive because your hair is worth it, but it's kind of on the higher end. These are $30 each. Retail. This is a 20 mil, so this is a fifth of the price. So this is about $5. I'm sorry, $6. The number 6. Oh, this is the number 9. Yeah. So this is about $7. And then the 6 is about $6. The lip oil. Oh, this mask retails for $85 for 30 milliliters. Is this 30 milliliters? This is an ounce. This is full size. Okay. This is full size and this is $85. What? They're getting outrageous with these prices. I'm just going to say that. I mean, I've tripled the value of my box with just that one product, but still, that's crazy. And this Merit, this is a full size. This retails for $24. Okay, so with these two things is $100 right here. Okay. Okay. And so the mask, the number 9, oh, by the way, finger comb this formula into damp hair. Focus on the mid length to the ends. Run what's left on your hands over the roots. Lighten up that it won't weigh your hair down. That's for the number 6. The number 9, smooth it over damp towel dried hair with mid lengths to the ends and run what's left over the roots. Okay. Nourishing hair bond protector. So this is the bond protector is probably for like split ends and stuff. Well, I love it. Whole host of one. It's a heat protectant. The nourishing hair serum is a heat protectant, and the leave-in bond smoother is just smoothing frizz and hydrates your hair. Okay, cool. Great. This is an interesting box. Not sure how I feel about it. I don't. Yeah, I don't know. This I'm super excited about. Where's the front? This I'm super excited about. I love a lip oil. I love a lip oil. I would use them every day if I didn't forget to keep rotating them. But I digress. I've got another box to do and I'm super excited. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Did you get the same stuff in your Allure box? How do you feel about that deodorant? Did you get it open? Because what in the world is going on with this thing? I don't understand. It doesn't have directions like twist. Oh, wait. Literally started twisting it and it just came right off. Wow, I feel so stupid. Okay, and now we can roll it down. Oh, wait. Then it's pushing up the middle. Okay. It does smell good. Wow, I feel like such a dork. I just twisted it and it came right off. I don't even know what to say. Embarrassing. Wow. Okay. Moving right along. You'll see the same hair and makeup in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Find a reason to laugh at yourself because best laughs ever. Bye.